Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Sounds of the Valley. I'm your host, Nathan Blazer. Today, I have with me a very special guest, possibly one that I would consider important to have on up to date. Today, I have on with illustrious host of Blunation, Noah Schwartz. Noah, thank you very much for coming on.
Well, thank you for having me, Nathan.
So, Noah's going to play for us a couple of, going to do the old shebang with an interview and really get to pick your brain, find out the psychology of Noah Schwartz.
It's mighty bold of you to assume that I've got it. We'll make do.
All right. Without further ado, I'm not going to keep you too. I'll let you just jump right into it, okay?
All right, thank you. This one is it's a song that I learned today, so don't expect too much. I dreamed you paid your dues in Canada and left me to come through. I headed for the right way. I knew exactly just what to do. I dreamed we played cards in the dark, and you lost, and you lied. Wasn't very hard to do, but it hurt me deep down inside. Oh, these dreams of you, so real and so true. These dreams of you, so real and so true. My back was up against the wall, and you slowly just walked away. You never really heard my call when I cried out that day. With my face against the sun, you pointed out for me to go. Yeah, you said I was the one who had to reap what you had sown. Oh, these dreams of you, so real and so true. These dreams of you, so real and so true. And hush-a-bye, don't think about it. Go to sleep, don't say a word. 'Cause you know you are an angel sent here from above. Ray Charles was shot down, but he got up and did his best. Crowd of people gathered round to the question and said yes. And you slapped me in the face. I turned around the other cheek. You couldn't really stand the pace, and I would never be so meek. Oh, these dreams of you, so real and so true. These dreams of you, so real and so true. Now hush-a-bye, don't think about it. Go to sleep, don't say a word. 'Cause you know you are an angel sent down from above. Thank you. Thank you, folks. That was a Van Morrison song. Hope you liked it. And going with the folk music tonight, we're gonna play one that's not quite folk, but it doesn't quite matter. It's the Rolling Stones. So one of my favorites. Hope it's one of yours. Well, when you're sitting there in your silk upholstered chair, talking to those rich folks that you know, well, I hope you don't see me in my ragged company. You know I could never be alone. Take me down, little Susie, take me down. I know you think you're the queen of the underground. Oh no, but you can't send me dead flowers every morning. Send me dead flowers by the mail. Send me dead flowers to my wedding. And I won't forget to put roses on your grave. Well, when you're sitting back in your rose pink Cadillac, making bets on Kentucky Derby Day, I'll be in my basement room with some ice cream and a spoon, as no other girl would ever take my pain away. Take me down, little Susie, take me down. I know you think you're the queen of the underground. You can send me dead flowers every morning. Send me dead flowers by the mail. Send me dead flowers to my wedding. And I won't forget to put roses on your grave. Oof. Take me down, little Susie, take me down. I know you think you're the queen of the underground. Oh no, but you can't send me dead flowers every morning. Send me dead flowers by the mail. Send me dead flowers to my wedding. And I won't forget to put roses on your grave. No, I won't forget to put roses on your grave. Thank you. Thank you, everybody.